What's up, traders? This is a trading recap for Friday, January 5th, 2024. We just closed out the week in profit. Just go over the trades here. When I came to the chart this morning, well, yesterday's high and low, the low was taken out. And then we never reached the high of yesterday. So this week has been a down week. You can see this closed right about the even of yesterday. We broke the low of yesterday and came back up, closed right about even from yesterday's close. And the day before that, it was an inside day. And the day before that was a down day. So this whole week, starting from Tuesday, closed low. Wednesday, closed low. Thursday was an inside day. And then today's Friday, closed right at the open of yesterday's low. So we were trading right within this range here. The high of today, which is 37,661. The low, 37,281. We had some news. That's why this candle right here is a spike candle. This candle here, this is on a 30-minute chart. This is the 8:30 candle was right here. This is the 8 o'clock candle. We did have some news. So when news came out, you could see how volatile this 30-minute candle was. Took out the low of the day, and it just retraced back up. That's what happens when you trade news. I was not at the chart at this. I wish I was. I would have bought, probably took the trades down and bought it all the way back up. So you can see the pattern of the US30 for this week was Asia, London, brought the low, then New York took up the high, then of course they sell off and took it up again, but sell off again. So that's a pattern to the US30. What I do, just to recap, I come in, mark my levels, the break of the recent high or low, set my orders, and then the EMAs on here are the 10, the 20, and the 200. The 10 is the red, the 20 is the blue, and the 200 is the yellow. I use those as support resistance points, but I use my levels more than I would on these because these will fluctuate up and down. So it's a good anchor point of where the market wants to go. Enter at price action. Usually I will enter trade right before 8:30 Central Time or an hour before if I see a good setup, and then I'll scalp and I just have to wait and see. So overall, this week has been a green week. Let's look at the trades. Okay, I'm going to go here to history. And today's the 5th. I did scalp a bunch of trades. And the bias coming in was neutral to the sell side. But I did see some setup on the buy because I knew it was going to go up. And eventually it would come down, right around 1 o'clock. So had a buy trade, scalp those trades, sell trade, a buy trade, sell, buy, sell, sell. So I scalped the market going up and down. That's why the levels are important. If you believe in the levels that you have and you're not afraid of trading on the 30-minute with a bunch of wicks, as long as you know where the levels are at, like you see, this is the high. I knew we took out the low, so I knew it was going to stay around the low and not take up the high. So the bias was neutral, and then I knew we were going to get some sales in here because it's Friday. It's the end of the week, and we are close to the all-time high. So right now we close the market at 37, right around 37,483. So we basically closed right at where yesterday's close was at. But let's look at the trade. So you can see right here, January 5th with this Friday, I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 scalp trades. And now our profit overall on the account is $1,987.50. Our new balance is $24.9306. So we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let's see, I thought we took one more. Okay, it was 11 trades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 trades. So let me go in here and record this. 11 trades. Five 2024. So we had a balance of 2561. Get our old calculator up here. Our new balance is 2943.06. 2943.06. Let's go back here. 24 minus 25.61. 61. So we had about a $382 day. Highlight that green. Our New Balance 29.43.06. 29.43. The bias of the day was to go lower. Short neutral was the bias. Yes. We had 11 winners. Neutral to break the low. Okay. So Friday, January 5th, 382 profit, 29.43. It's our New Balance, 11 trades. As you can see here, let's pull up our calculator. We have 201, 372, 169, 1, 372, 169, 382. So we have 4 trading days because, of course, Monday was the first markets closed. Altogether, we made 1,124 for the week. Let's go back to the charts. As you can see, these are all the trades today. We're all positive. Profit on each and every one of them. Scalped the high, scalped the low on out. Then I took a bunch of sells going up because I knew this level was going to break. It always does. It always retraces. Took out all the profits. I had to hold the trades. So if you're not comfortable scalping and holding trades because of your levels, then you probably got to find a different system. But this is the US30 scalping strategy with rules, PFT, which is my trading style. Other than that, it was a great week.